Hey, we're going to talk about how to make really good, really fast educational videos. First, I'm going to show you how to use some of the equipment we have. First of all, we got a tripod, which is excellent because it'll hold the iPad exactly where you want it to go. And the first thing you'll need to do is make this level, and then this handle, when you turn it, now it's solid. We also have this awesome little bracket that will grip your iPad and hold it steady. This little metal stick goes onto here. But you know what? It would probably be easier, I think, if you take the little bracket off first. It'll be really fast. So you're going to screw the bracket from the tripod onto the bottom of the iPad holder. And then this slides back in just like you would put your camera. Okay? And so this is what's going to hold our iPad. On the side, I can turn that and get it to the right angle. When you get it, it should be set at the right way. Okay. So this, I have it backwards. The 2 feet go at the bottom, and they stretch out. And then when I press the button on the side, that slides up. So, and the iPad goes in here. So, can I grab an iPad from somebody? And so the iPad just goes in here. Actually, it's going to go like this. And it will grip like that. You'll probably want to take it out of the case, but I leave my case on. Okay. When you put your iPad in, you're actually going to put it screen towards the bracket because you're always going to be using the back camera. The back camera is significantly higher res than the front camera. The front camera is meant for taking selfies and doing video chat. The back camera is for really filming. So that might make it a little harder because you can't see yourself, but the quality is going to be a lot better. So this is the first piece of equipment, and you're really going to love using it. Secondly, in the little bag is a lavalier mic. And when you make video, you would think that the resolution of the camera is what matters. It doesn't. It's the audio. The difference between junky home movies and really good movies is the audio. And so we have a lavalier mic. This is a little unusual because it comes with this adapter. And this is the key because the audio jack for an iPad, it brings in the microphone signal and sends out the earphone signal. This thing splits it. So you find the little microphone symbol, and that's where the jack goes in. And now the lavalier mic is going to send an audio signal into the iPad. In the middle of the lavalier mic is a little battery holder. Always be a little careful to leave it on while you film and then turn it off when you're done. It takes weird watch batteries, and we'll want to make them last as long as possible. And then at the far end is the little clip. And this clip clips to your shirt. Make sure the microphone is pointed up towards you. The little puffy cloud on top of it seems important. It's not. It's mostly just for the wind. So if there's no little puffy styrofoam thing on it, that's okay. You don't have to speak right into it. It'll pick up everything. It'll pick up really well. As you can see, when I film, I like a blank background, and I like a plain shirt that's not distracting. And I like to stand off a little off center. That way, if I create graphics, the graphics can come over here, but I'm off to the side. And but there's a little bit of room around me because sometimes when I'm making a really important point, I like to zoom in and make a close-up. I don't do that with the iPad. I do that in the software, but that's a really interesting effect. When the student's been watching a video for a while, I start drifting, zooming in to a close-up where it's just my head and shoulders. It really brings the student back to focus.